Chris Leno here at IPD, and we appreciate you tuning in for today's announcement. I'm sitting in front of IPD's 2004 V70R, and we are officially going to be moving forward, showing an overview with my team about installing an M66 manual transmission. We're going to have many episodes following this initial announcement, showing what we're tackling, the parts we're using, some of the things that we're upgrading. I think it's going to be a fantastic announcement with my team. But before we get into more details about the announcement, I just want to let everybody know who is not familiar with our V70R. We've owned this car for coming up close to 20 years, a little bit less, but this car has been in IPD's family for a very long time. In our stables, we've developed hundreds of products off this car. This car, in my mind, was completely done. The automatic has never bothered me. It's fantastic. It's a flash green without a camera, came out of the factory that way. Obviously, people that have seen this car know that it's been modified. It's got our full-blown 4T4 Stage 3 turbo kit on it. Every single accessory and goodie that you can imagine that IPD has developed off of this vehicle that we sell to our customers has been done and proven on this particular car. It's fantastic. And it's got a literally cool style and some other tidbits that we've done to upgrade it to make it a little bit more unique. But there's been one thing that every customer that comes up to me at every show that I've attended, whether it being a Volvo event, a non-Volvo event, a lot of people know about this car. It's a very enthusiastic driven market for the V70 and the S60R models. And a lot of those customers knew that these cars did come with 6-speed manual transmissions, the M66. The one thing that I get that is a negative about this car, which has never really bothered me until recently, where I'm like, you know what, forget it. We haven't done a project like this. I have the resources with my team here, but normally every customer comes up and says about how this car would be so much cooler if it had a manual in it. And so it's time. We have sourced all the products, all the parts. We have gone a certain direction that we know we want to take this vehicle to make it as OEM as possible. My product team with Ken Pruitt, Paul Bertucci, Bud Kogel, Kevin Rutledge, and myself are going to fully tackle this project. We're going to have episodes and series following this on our social media channels, including YouTube, Instagram, and Facebook. You can also check out details on our blog in the future about this build and what we're doing. And then once we're all done wrapping this car up, I will do a full-blown comprehensive overview for everybody who doesn't know all the details about this vehicle. So we've been keeping this car for nearly 20 years, just sitting out here in the shop. It's kind of turned into a little bit of a collector's item. I think it's one of the nicest R's in the country, but I think that adding this final touch is going to go ahead and just set it over the top. And we can't wait for everybody to tune in and see how myself and my team tackle installing this M66 into this vehicle. I think it's going to be absolutely phenomenal. We can't wait to see all of your support and hopefully provide some details if somebody's looking to do the same kind of swap themselves. So I think we're going to provide some pathways for people to be able to do this job themselves, especially if they're an R owner and an enthusiast who wants to turn this car or their car into a manual transmission.